Well, folks. It seems that I have stirred up quite a hornet's nest with my recent films about camera snobs. So here's the deal. It appears that my little cinematic endeavours have managed to ruffle a few feathers in the world of photography. The dislike button has been smashed more times than an avocado in an artisan brunch bar. Could it be that I've hit a nerve? Someone call a doctor. Now, before we delve into the juicy details, let's consider the possibilities, shall we? It is plausible, of course, that camera snobs are nothing more than a figment of my overactive imagination, and the real photographers of the world are seething with fury at my audacity. After all, who would dare suggest that anyone interested in the noble art of photography could be anything but a hero? Blasphemy! Or perhaps, just perhaps, there are more camera snobs lurking in the shadows than I had previously thought. Irritated at being exposed, they're furiously disliking my videos in a desperate attempt to consign them to the black hole of YouTube algorithm oblivion, never to be seen again. Well, here's the kicker, my dear audience. The camera snobs might just be shooting themselves in the foot. Well, metaphorically speaking, of course. You see, maybe they don't realise this, but to YouTube, a dislike is an interaction. So by expressing their disdain through dislikes, they're essentially giving my videos a little leg up. So thank you. A little boost in the algorithm. Oh, the irony. So what's it to be, dear viewers? Have I overstated the camera snobs? Are they just in my imagination? Or do they lurk in every nook and cranny, their capes billowing as they pontificate about f-stops and exposure triangles? Invisible yet omnipresent. The suspense is killing me. But maybe, if there really are more camera snobs than we think, maybe we're one. I'm one. You're one. Heavens, this could be worse than I thought. So how will we know if we are a camera snob? Well, try this little checklist. It might help. See if you're on the wrong side of the snobbery chart. Number one, do you find yourself scoffing at your friends' Instagram selfies because they weren't taken with a proper camera, just a smartphone? Two, do you judge a photograph solely by the model of the camera, completely forgetting that the most critical element is the person behind the lens? Number three, have you ever walked into a crowd, spotted somebody with a less than professional camera, and immediately felt like you were in the presence of a photographic criminal? Lock them up. Yeah, folks, that's textbook camera snobbery that is there, right there. Four, do you find yourself muttering things like, that would have been a good picture if it had a proper camera? And finally, do you believe that a fancy camera can compensate for a lack of creativity, skill, and artistic vision? Well, if you do, it's official. You are proudly wearing the badge of a camera snob. Disclaimer though, being a camera snob may result in the loss of friends, eye rolling from fellow photographers, and an overinflated sense of self-worth. So use with caution. Professional help is not guaranteed. All right. Enough already. We need to stop joking around and decide how many are really out there. So I'm turning to you, my dear audience, to shed light on this perplexing conundrum. Drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Are camera snobs just a figment of my imagination, or are they living amongst us, undetected and fuming at my filmic revelations? It's time to unravel the mystery. And of course, before you go on your merry way, make sure you hit the like button if you found this video absolutely riveting, and subscribe for more scintillating content. Remember folks, the more interactions, the merrier. If you're a camera snob and you think I'm terrible, you dislike it, it'll all help me in the algorithm. Now I'm off to don my detective hat and comb through your insightful comments. So until next time, keep snapping those photos, and remember, a little bit of sarcasm does make the world go round. Take care, folks. Oh, and if you are unsure about camera snobs and would like to know a little bit more, maybe you should check out this video here.